quite lucky at this time of year. Quite a lot of dead bracken. Hi guys, this is the Lixada wood burning stove. I always carry a spare Esbit cooker just in case. Easily set up if I can remember. It always comes with the alcohol bit, don't really need. That slots down there. Obviously you have the cooker part right there. Well, I'm going to use some cotton balls Vaseline, get it started. Only got a couple of these, hopefully they catch quite quickly. I've got them dead standing, they're quite dry. At it. Oh. There we go. Took one or two more cotton balls. It's pretty damp, keeps them going out. Sure how long that bracken would last. Great, it's starting to rain. Hi guys, I'm back. I've just packed up all my kit. It took a while for the fire to get going. I should have bought some more cotton balls really. The wood, everything around here is soaking wet. Plus it was raining as I was doing it. But we're getting there now. Looking forward to my cup of tea. Quite proud of myself though. Didn't use a lighter. Water's hot, just as that's going out. Cup of tea. These wood burning stoves are really efficient with burning the wood. I'll show you the ash in a minute. You see the sticks I was sticking in. They're about 1 inch thick. Literally, I think I'll give it a shake and they'll all go to ash. Oh. As you can see, just all gone to ash. Still quite a bit of heat coming off it. Yeah. Got some dried milk. There you go guys, nice cup of tea. Here's a close-up of the ash. Literally all gone down to nothing. And I'm sure if I poke them with something they'll just disintegrate. A really efficient, really good cooker. With these top bits, they fold in, so like my cup fits on there. But if you've got a frying pan or something larger, I'll do this. Oh, it's hot. These actually come out like so. Oh. Then you can put your frying pan on or pot. Really good.